Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we are going to unbox the Redragon Valheim K608 mechanical keyboard. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the box of the mechanical keyboard, as you can see. So here it says dust proof blue, which means it's going to have blue switches for this particular version of the keyboard. High speed, high control, high response time, etc, etc. Here on the back you can see we will have these keys inside, which are the blue keys. For features, let's just read. Entry level mechanical keyboard, rainbow backlighting. So for rainbow backlighting, it means that you cannot change the individual buttons color. It will have different modes, but the RGB will be color will be fixed for each color. That's what it means by rainbow backlighting. Customized mechanical switches, rainbow backlight keys, and key rollover, durable and stable. So we got interfaces, USB, etc, etc, and so on. So nothing too much on the box. So let's just open the seal and see inside the box itself. Okay, I was cutting in the wrong way, and here we go. So the seal has been opened, and let's just slide the keyboard out, and here it is. Let's see if anything is else in the box. No, the box is empty, so putting the box aside. Here, first of all, you're going to get a key removing tool if you want to remove these keys and replace them by some other thing. So you can use this particular tool. And here we have the mechanical keyboard itself, and the keys are really clicky, which I'm liking a lot even when I'm just simply unboxing it. So here is the keyboard. So for the build quality is full plastic build. Even this area is plastic. It may have a mattish kind of look, but don't be fooled, it's just simple plastic. So we got these shiny buttons on the top, which is looking really cool. Here on the back we got these two stands to make it upward like this, and we got these rubbers on the stand as well, so that the keyboard doesn't slip, which is really nice. And by the clickiness you can really hear the sound of this keyboard, which I'm liking a lot. And for the wire, here it is. So not that much long of a cable as for a keyboard is concerned, and you got this simple thin wire, which is flexible, I would say, but it is not a braided wire. And here we have our USB plug on the other side. So let me just remove one of the key using this tool to show the blue switches. So let's just remove the escape key. Here we go. So this tool is really handy, so don't lose it. Here you can see the blue key inside this mechanical keyboard here, as you can see. So it means that we have blue switches in this particular keyboard. Here is the key itself that I just removed. Let me focus on it. So you can see the key is curved from the top, so that your finger can easily sit on it, which is quite nice. So nice attention to detail, and the key is just placed in its place, as you can see. So let me plug it in and let me show the RGB lights of this particular keyboard. So this is a gaming keyboard, and at least that is what is advertised on the box. So if you're going to do gaming, then this keyboard should give you good response time and multiple key presses as well. So here are the RGB lights. Once the keyboard is on, you can see the keyboard is looking really cool. So the room in which I am recording, it has bright light, so you can't tell very good, but in my eyes it is looking really cool. So as far as typing is concerned, I can say that its response time is really fast, as I have been testing on my laptop, and I would say its response time and the clickiness and the satisfaction of this click is really cool as far as this mechanical keyboard is concerned. Again, you can change the lightning pattern of this keyboard and not the light color. So you can just press on the function key and you can do different things. Like for this mode, only those keys will be applicable in which you are pressing, and then they will go off. So we got different keys for different functions. So you can try out these different functions and you can look at the manual, or you can download the software for this keyboard as well. Anyways guys, this was the unboxing video of this mechanical keyboard from Redragon. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.